So we're gonna do a skin fade on ourselves. We're gonna be using the Wall 1919s, the Wall Detailers, and the Andes Outliners. We only need 2 guards. So we're gonna do skin fade, and then we're gonna do a number 1. So all we need is a 1 guard and a half guard. We're gonna start our skin fade. We're gonna start in the back. We're gonna go evenly all the way around. And then we're gonna skin up from here to about right here. All the way around. Then right now, you see the hair looks all messed up, but with this haircut done, it looks like a new man.
So first step, 00 from the base of the neck all the way up to where you feel comfortable starting your blend at.
Now we just got done with the 00 from the base of the neck to here, all the way around. We got it all skinned out. So now we're gonna go behind it with the Wall 1919. Only thing we're gonna do is, right now, the lever is closed, which makes this a 0. When you open it up, it makes it a half. So with the lever all the way open at the half, we're gonna come from here to here, all the way around the head. Wall 1919 with the lever open, making it a half like I stated before. From here to here, all the way around.
All right, so lever open. You're gonna go all the way around the head. Try to keep it somewhat even. It don't have to be perfect, just somewhat even.
Now we done went around the head with the half. From right here to here with the half. So now you got that. So now you got this right here, skin, 00 right here. You got the half. So you're gonna blend this 00 into the half. So between this 00 and the half, you have a 0 that you gotta somehow get right there. All right, so now right here, we're gonna do a number 1 right here. But we're gonna do this number 1. We're gonna take the number 1 guard, we're gonna put it on the Wall 1919. We're gonna open the lever all the way up, which makes this a 1.5. We're gonna go against the grain with the 1.5, which makes it a number 1. If we was to close it with number 1 and go with the grain, it will be a number 1. But we're gonna go against the grain, open it all the way up, makes it number 1.5, going against the grain, which brings it back down to a 1.
All right, lever all the way open, going against the grain.
All right, so now you can see the hair is in 3 layers right now. You got the 00, you got the half, and you got your 1 right there. Now all this have to get blended into each other. You gotta blend this 00 into this half, so in between there, it's a 0 in between there. Then you gotta blend this half into this 1. So you gotta find the right stroking technique to get that out. And I'm gonna bring it all out here in just a sec. So we're gonna do the bottom layer first. We're gonna take this 00 and go knock it into this half.
So we're gonna do 3 strokes right above the weight line, all the way around the head until the line is gone.
Now we gotta knock this half to this 1. So we're gonna come with the number 1 guard.
So same thing we did before. We're just gonna do the same thing again. This time we're gonna use the number 1 guard with the lever all the way open. And we're gonna go right above the weight line, all the way around the head until that line is gone. And you're just gonna 3 strokes, go to the next section, 3 strokes, go to the next section, and keep doing it till the line is gone. So once you get to the point to where you can't close the lever no more with the number 1 guard, you're gonna take the guard off put the half guard on, open the lever all the way up, and do the same thing again until you can get that line out. And as you can see, the line is out.
Last part of the haircut, I'm gonna do the edge up. I'm gonna put a little spritz on mine because it makes the hair hard. So, which in return makes it easier to do an edge up. It's not a requirement, but it's a little bit easier to get a sharper edge up if you use spritz or some kind of holder spray. We're gonna use our wall, our Andy's outlines, Andy's 2 outliners. You're always gonna start from the center, and you can go either left or you can go right, whichever way that you wanna go.
So you're just gonna press down and pull forward. Press down, pull forward. You know, always you're gonna start in the center, and then you can work your way to the left or the right, whichever way you wanna go. Then you wanna come back and hit the other side, and then you wanna do your sides, and then that's pretty much it.
As y'all can see, we just cut our own hair. You know, so if you're kind of short on cash or whatever, you need to get your hair cut, you can do it yourself at your house. You know, it will save you about $20, $25 if you just follow these steps. Get you some clippers, it ain't gotta be nothing expensive. You can get you some, even some Walmart clippers. You can do the same thing. All you gotta do is just follow these steps. Save you about $25. Just got done with the haircut. As you can see, it's nice. It's well blended all around. You can see for yourself. Got a nice edge up. So if you like it, if you like that video, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you have your notifications turned on so you can get notified every time I drop a new video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the bio, or you can find the link down below in the descriptions. Thanks for watching.